Welcome students. Today we will be working on multiplying fractions. First, I would like for you to take out two different colored highlighters, your math journal, and turn to the next clean page. Remember to date and title your new page at the top. A good title for this page would be Multiplying Fractions Practice. Now let's start. In your journal, draw one square, the multiplication sign, then another square and the equal sign, just as you see on the computer screen. This is how we will start every new problem. Then you will write the fraction in the number form, just like you see on your screen. The first problem we will do is 2/3 multiplied by 1/2. Just like you see on the screen, I would like you to shade 2/3 of your first box horizontally in one color, and I would like you to shade 1/2 of your second box vertically in a different color. Now we will click multiply and see what we get. And we see that we got 2/6 or 1/3. Also notice the squares that have overlapped. We know that our denominator is 6 by counting each of the small boxes inside the square. We know that our numerator is 2 because it has two overlapped colors in the box. This is how we get 2/6. The second problem we will do is 2/5 multiplied by 2/3. This time, try to draw the square and smaller boxes on your own to find the answer. So you should be drawing this square first with two horizontally shaded in smaller boxes, the multiplication sign, then drawing this square with two smaller boxes shaded in. Now, you should be drawing a third box, which has all of the shaded smaller parts inside of it. Alright, let's check your work. Did you get 4/15? We can see that our numerator is 4 because there are only 4 boxes that overlap with the two colors. We can see that the denominator is 15 because there are 15 smaller boxes. This gives us 4/15. The next problem we will do is 1/3 multiplied by 2/5. For this one, I want you to focus on the numbers. So after you have drawn your boxes and shaded them in, I'd like you to really focus on the numbers. Don't worry about the third box yet. We're going to mainly focus on the numbers for this one. When we multiply fractions, we multiply our numbers straight across. So we would take 1 multiplied by 2, giving us our numerator, and 3 multiplied by 5, giving us our denominator. Just as you can see in the past two problems. So if we have 1 multiplied by 2, giving us 2, and 3 multiplied by 5, giving us 15, our answer should be 2/15. Let's check. That's right. We can see this in the shaded boxes up above to check our work. Now we are going to do one last problem. For this last problem, I would like you to pause the video and try the whole problem on your own as soon as I finish saying the next problem. This includes multiplying straight across and using the squares. I would like to see you showing all of your work in your journal. Our last problem will be 4/5 multiplied by 2/5. Now, let's check your work. Did you get 8/25? Does your box and all your smaller squares look like this one? If so, great job. Now I'd like you to go back to your seat and write 2 to 3 sentence summary of what you learned today at the bottom of your page. Thank you for doing such a great job.